turn leader than it was. Why was it so red? The choke's off. The choke is off right now. Yeah, no, all the way down. Completely off. There's a Victor. That's completely off. Why? That's clean now. There's some kind of a leak or something. Not this one. Alright, go ride it. Something wrong with that carburetor. It'll warm up again, a little higher again. Little balls to it. We're running cleanly through the mid-range now. I lean that thing down a ton. Acts like the choke mechanism is leaking or something. I turned the item mixer screw completely off. It ran the best. I gave it a quarter of a turn out. It's getting the fat. That's where I left it at. But when it was running there, when I first got in, it was just really lumpy sounding, like the choke was on, but it was off. Got some kind of a leakage issue. Way too much fuel in it. Oh well, always something wrong with everything. I hear them. Here's it coming. There he is. Yeah, brake works. Alright, parking out there. I want to look at that carburetor again.
I told you before I could not make, if I go all the way in, I could not make it lean enough that it was causing me problems. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not exactly sure why that is, because if I go to a lower jet, it's way too fucking lean. You know what I'm saying?
Something leaking in there. Start up again. Let's see what's out. See if it changed any. I'm assuming the idle speed's up a little higher now. Brake looks like it's working good.
Brake's working great. Back where it was.
Alright, cut it off. That gurgling right up off the idle I was getting before is gone. Plus it's a lot cleaner idling now.
Yeah.
Not just being cold, choke was on basically, even though it was off. I think you got something going on with your choke mechanism, putting fuel in all the time or something, because it's...
So I can't...
You had that thing out probably almost 2 turns, turn and 3/4 at least. I turned that thing in a half turn twice, didn't even affect it. I went another half turn before I got down all the way, so. It's just, right now it's a 1/4 turn out, it likes it being right there. You go a little bit leaner, it starts just going over the center, and 1/8 of a turn more, it's too rich, so it's more on the rich side than lean side right now.
Right.
But it's right where it's nice crisp throttle response, that flat spot, richness right off idle's gone. I couldn't tell if it was too lean or too rich, so I guessed rich because it just was real lumpy sounding. Yeah, cleaned right up. That's good. Going down the road, there's no right off idles, no issues?
Yeah, no issues at all. Running strong.
Okay.
And it was kind of...
Well, I think the Richmond circuit's probably leaking a little bit or something. Or there's some kind of a pinhole in the casting or something causing it too much fuel.
We're going to pull this off either way.
I know you're going to change carburetor, but it's got something going on. And the brake,
brake is working great.
Like it was before, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we got to run to the grocery store anyways. I think maybe you ride this and I'll ride the Geezer Glide and we'll just put a few miles on it and get it warm, see what you think.
Yeah, whatever.
You know what I mean?
Whatever you want to do. It's fine, but... You know, it wasn't cutting out anywhere like it was before yet, has it? I don't know where it does that at, so... Alright, we can do that if you want. I got my gear with me, so it doesn't matter.
Sweet.
No, you got that all tightened up on the handlebar again, I'm assuming, because you've been riding it that way.
Here, we're good here.
A little bit of seepage right there,
Yeah.
no big
I
deal.
think that was there when I tightened it up. It just needs to be wiped off.
Yeah, just one more wipe down. Okay, we'll go check it out, see what happens.